Coastal Group presents the HQ4. Durability tested to 200,000 cycles. 7 different finishes. Manufactured from solid 316 marine grade stainless steel. Successfully used on PAS 24 tests without the need of a hinge dog bolt, and ideal for use where corrosion levels are high, such as coastal environments and with acidic timber. Self-lubricating phosphor bronze washers. No leaf play. The security dog bolt feature prevents removal of the door leaf if the hinge knuckle is attached. Clean-lined triple knuckle butt hinge with a 3 mm gap. No leaf play ensures accurate and consistent fit. And finally, the weight capacity is up to 120 kilograms when using 3 hinges. Here are our 3 product variations. Through combining our skills and capabilities, we provide standard or tailored products and solutions for you as and when needed. Get in touch with us for more information, or you can visit our website at www.coastalgroup.com.